Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to join the Brevo affiliate program. First, you need to go to your web browser. Here, search for Brevo affiliate program. From the results, click to open the first link that is associated with brevo.com. Now to become its affiliate partner, click on the Become an Affiliate button given here. By introducing Brevo to your visitors, you can earn fixed commissions when they become users. After that, you need to provide some information about yourself, including your first and last name, your company website, work email, and country. Once you're all done, click on the Next button. After email verification, your account will be created, which you can use to start earning. Once you find information about the affiliate program, carefully review the terms and conditions. Make sure you understand the commission structure, payment methods, and any other requirements. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.